Alright guys, it's time for the continuation of my lip product declutter. So I'm going to go through my lipsticks and a couple lip liners here. We'll see what else I have. Alright, so as I've said before, I am moving, so I am trying to get rid of things. I'm also trying to declutter some things that are not cruelty-free. Also, I just want to make sure the things that I have in my collection are things that I love and that I use. Typically, if there's things that can be sanitized, I will pass them on to, this is still a maybe, still thinking about this one. If I have things that can be sanitized, I pass them on to my family and my friends. And I know it's sad for some of you guys to see the makeup go and you want to not have me give it away, but I honestly just want to make sure that I'm keeping the stuff that I love. And yeah, that's basically where I'm at. So first off, I'm going to pull out everything NYX, and this is why. I don't ever wear these lipsticks, or if I ever put them on in a video, I wear them for a very short time and then I take them off because I don't like how they smell. So I never wear them, and that is the truth. So I'm like, why am I keeping these if I don't like how they smell? So I'm getting rid of all of these. Okay. Let's go through my e.l.f. lipsticks. It's kind of exciting to get rid of some because then I feel like I can, you know, justify buying and trying new things. This beautiful berry, I've never really worn this. It's more of a brown red. I'm going to get rid of that. This is, ooh, Winky Pink. I love this color. Yes, that is a total me color. I love this. Now let's see how close this is to Rose Romance. That's a little lighter. Okay. Next is Pink Minx, and I also really like this color. It's a little pinker. Yes, I'm going to keep that. And this is one of my favorite nudes. This is Party in the Buff. So whatever this is, the moisturizing lipstick formula, I don't know if they still have it because I know e.l.f. changes theirs a lot. I love these lipsticks though. Okay, I love my Little Bite Beauty. This is half of a hot pink and half of like a tangerine color. I like both of these, so I'm going to keep this. And let's see, I've got some more e.l.f.'s. Okay, so I have e.l.f. Flirtatious. I actually really like this shade. It's kind of a coral pink. And I have Classy, which is a repurchase, but it always breaks. But this is such a pretty pink. I love this color. Even though it's not the greatest quality, I still really like the shade. Okay, this is Rosy Go Round. Yeah, it's a nice flush. It's kind of on the red side. I think I'll keep that. This is Golden Raisin from, I don't think I've ever used this. I think someone else gave this to me. Golden Raisin. Well, I'm just going to pass this along. It doesn't look like something that's my shade. This is one of my Mirabella lipsticks. Oh, man, I still really like these. So I am going to hold on to these, I think. I know. Oh, yes, I do like that one too. And Posy. Yeah, I like all these. I know I have one more, and it's probably one of my bags. It's a purple one that I really like, and I'm going to keep all of these. Essence, I have this one and this one. And I like both of these shades, so I'm going to keep these. This is Blush My Lips, and this is Love Me. Okay, so I wanted to keep one of these for, oh, that's not the same one. I want to keep one of these for my, this Primrose I actually used in a project pen a long time ago. So I'm totally okay getting rid of that. And Berry Couture, I'm okay getting rid of this. It's not cruelty free. And this Plum Velour. Let me swatch this one. Yeah, I'm okay getting rid of that. But this Wink for Pink, I'm getting rid of this. I think I'm going to put this in my project pan because it's a really nice pink that I do like and I would enjoy using it up. Okay, so this Metal Shock, this is really fun. These are like really bright and glittery. Really fun for a nice effect. They're super affordable too. And I have this one in blue too. And it's just, you know, it's one of those things. If I want to have a look, like when I did my unicorn look, it was so awesome to put the glitter on it. Love that. Okay, my Wet n Wild, this is a Dollhouse Pink. This one is extremely bright and dry. And I think if it comes between this and some of my ColourPop shades, I like my ColourPop shades a little bit more, so I am going to pass this one on. Okay, I think I'm going to keep this one. So these MAC ones, these are hard. I think I have a couple more. Like I said, because I'm moving, things are a little misplaced, but I did my best to find everything. Florida Coral, that's really pretty. I think I'm going to end up keeping these, even though I'm like, ugh, why, MAC, why? Overjoyed, I think I can get rid of that one. Angel, I love this one. Yes, going to keep this one. And Naked Bud. That's a great, just like, it almost reminds me of a lip butter. It's just so creamy. Okay. My Nude Beach and Taffy. These are from Too Faced. I love these. Let me look at this e.l.f. one. This has kind of a hot pink and then a nude. I feel like those are colors that I kind of have more of, so I'm going to get rid of that. I remember I was so excited when I got this because Lip Gloss Leslie always talked about the Wet n Wild with the blue pearl. I think I'll try it out for spring and summer, see how I like it. Let's see. This seems really similar though. This is Princessa. This doesn't have a number on it. It just is creamy matte. Let's compare them. Oh yeah. So that's like a matte and that's a shiny version. But I like them both. Okay, I'm going to keep this one. I'm so excited for spring lipsticks. Can I just tell you? This one. Oh, wow. I thought I was going to get rid of that, but then I swatched it and I was like, no, I want to give that a try. And this one. Okay, that one is really glittery. I'm going to pass this one on. Okay, City Color. This is really dirty. My goodness, look at that cap. This is Jasmine. I do really like this shade. Yeah, that's pretty. And this I've had forever and a day. Why do I still have this? That should be donated or thrown away. Okay, for lip liners, I'm going to keep all three of these because I only have three and they're all good colors. So, this is everything that I am keeping. So I'll add that to the kitchen. And this is everything that I'm getting rid of. And these are the ones from the part 1. So I'll show you guys. So here's all of my lip products now that I'm keeping. And this is everything I got rid of. So it's like I didn't quite get rid of half, but I kind of did pretty good. I'm pretty proud of this. Pretty proud. I think this will make it much easier to make the storing much easier and stuff. Yeah, I wish I would have gone through all my purses before I packed everything and pulled out all my lip stuff. But, you know, there's always another day, another declutter. And if I find something I don't want, I can get rid of it. But this gives me a good idea of the bulk of what I've got. And know that what I have I like and I want to keep. And then when I go to my new house and reorganize it, it'll be nice to think all these colors are things that I really want and really want to wear. Alright, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!